So away they go cleanly. Anasha Phillip looking to put England in a good position, but Jamaica looking strong with Kerrell and Stewart already, and the handovers are looking for them clean enough for England at the moment. Blessing Okabari, the double sprint gold medalist, has it for Nigeria, trying to put them in a good position, but Jamaica leading at the moment. Veronica Campbell-Brown with the baton onto Shelly-Ann Calvert, and England have it now with Jodie Williams, silver in the 200 metres, and Nigeria still in a good position, but England will look to chase them down because Nigeria don't have the strongest anchor leg, but it's Jamaica well clear at the moment. Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce is going to storm to gold. A huge win for Jamaica, and England trying to get silver. It will be Nigeria. England third, they take the bronze medal, but we thought that England might be able to push Jamaica close. No such things, no thoughts of that. A games record for Jamaica, 41.84. What a performance, dominant from the Jamaican quartet. All four ran well, but Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce put her in that position, and there is no chance that she will be caught. So away they go cleanly. Anasha Phillip looking to put England in a good position, but Jamaica looking strong with Kerrell and Stewart already, and the handovers are looking for them clean enough for England at the moment. Blessing Okabari, the double sprint gold medalist, has it for Nigeria, trying to put them in a good position, but Jamaica leading at the moment. Veronica Campbell-Brown with the baton onto Shelly-Ann Calvert, and England have it now with Jodie Williams, silver in the 200 metres, and Nigeria still in a good position, but England will look to chase them down because Nigeria don't have the strongest anchor leg, but it's Jamaica well clear at the moment. Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce is going to storm to gold. A huge win for Jamaica, and England
The Commonwealth Games in Glasgow delivered an unforgettable showcase of athletic prowess, with the women's 4x100m relay emerging as one of the event's most thrilling highlights. Jamaica stole the spotlight with a sensational win, spearheaded by the remarkable Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce. This victory emphasized not only the team's superb cohesion, but also added another shining chapter to Fraser-Pryce's legendary sprinting career. The competition kicked off cleanly, with England's Anasha Phillip launching her team off to a fast and competitive start. But Jamaica's Stewart wasted no time establishing momentum, asserting the Jamaican squad's early control. Their baton exchanges were executed with near-perfect synchronization, an element just as vital as top-end speed in relay races. Jamaica's precision and pace combined to give them a clear advantage. Nigeria's Blessing Okagbear, a champion in the sprints, grabbed the baton with fierce intent, striving to keep her team in the medal race. Her push added intensity to the field, positioning Nigeria as a legitimate threat. Simultaneously, England's Jodie Williams, a 200-meter silver medalist, dug deep to keep her team within striking range. However, Jamaica had already surged ahead, and by the time the baton reached the final handoff, Fraser-Pryce was poised to seal the deal. One of the fastest women in history, Fraser-Pryce accepted the baton with Jamaica holding a solid lead. Her mission was to secure, not just maintain, the lead, and she executed flawlessly. With explosive energy and impeccable form, she blazed down the track, widening the gap with every stride. Her composure and dominance made the outcome certain long before the finish line. Her anchor leg was nothing short of dazzling. Clocking in at 41.84 seconds, she broke the game's record and etched her name deeper into track and field history. This wasn't merely an individual accomplishment. It was a reflection of Jamaica's unity and strength. Though each sprinter played a crucial role, it was Fraser-Pryce's closing burst that clinched the gold and added another triumph to her storied journey. Jamaica's emphatic win at the 2014 Commonwealth Games further solidified the country's supremacy in the world of sprinting, continuing a proud tradition. This race showcased the incredible depth of talent within the Jamaican women's squad and their unmatched ability to perform under pressure. For Fraser-Pryce, it marked yet another monumental feat among many in her decorated career. Even though the race occurred years ago, it continues to be a benchmark when discussing elite relay tactics and performance. While many of her fellow competitors have since stepped away from the sport, Fraser-Pryce remains at the top of her game, defying expectations and outlasting the average sprinter's career span. Her continued brilliance, especially after becoming a mother, is a testament to her drive and durability. Over time, Fraser-Pryce has collected a wealth of medals across the Olympic Games and World Championships. Her long-standing dominance in the 100m and 200m races has cemented her as one of the most revered figures in track and field. The 2014 relay triumph only reinforced her legacy, underscoring her adaptability and her deep commitment to team success. Her career has been shaped by grit and determination as she navigated injuries and the challenging balance between elite sport and personal life. Outside of her athletic achievements, she has become a beacon of inspiration for young athletes worldwide. Her story proves that natural talent, when paired with relentless effort, can yield enduring greatness. As anticipation grows for the upcoming athletic season, memories of moments like the 2014 Commonwealth Games relay continue to inspire. Fans eagerly await the return of the sport's brightest stars in peak form, hoping for fierce battles and fewer setbacks. Excitement builds as Fraser-Pryce and her peers prepare to test the boundaries of human speed and performance again. The 2025 campaign is full of promise, and landmark races like Fraser-Pryce's relay run in Glasgow remain iconic examples for up-and-coming sprinters. Her journey continues to motivate, setting a gold standard in sprinting excellence. The 4x100m relay gold at the 2014 Games remains a defining moment in Fraser-Pryce's iconic career. It reaffirmed her brilliance on grand stages and highlighted her indispensable role in Jamaica's sprinting reign. As fans, we cherish such legendary memories and eagerly await the next chapter in her incredible story and in the sport of track and field.